Swastiastu. Bibi Rangga, apa luruskan bibi, bibi menjauhman. Well guys, I guess you already know that song, right? Yup, that song relates to one of popular Bali story. And today, I'll be telling you about that story. I'm Edmund from SD nomor 12 Jimbaran, and this is the story of Calonarang. Once upon a time, in Gira village lived a supernatural widow named Calonarang. She was very powerful. Her face was frightening, and no one was there enough to see her face. Her life was quite happy because she had a very beautiful daughter named Ratna Mangali. Ratna Mangali was a very kind girl. She liked to help each other. But Ratna Mangali was a very pretty girl. And no men were brave enough to propose Ratna Mangali because all of the people were afraid of the widow. One day, when Ratna Mangali was walking around the village, she was surprised. When now she met boys, they ran from her. A man shouted, "Hey, hey, all of the men in the village, don't go to the girl, don't follow her, don't marry her, because all of you can die by her mother." After that, Ratna Mangali fell down and cried. She was very sad. She prayed to God. Oh God, why? Why all people in the village hate me? I only need a prince in my life. Love. I only need true love. Suddenly, she stood up. "Stop talking! Don't say bad things about me and my mother. She'll be very angry hearing this. Stop! Stop!" Then the wind blew strongly. Whoosh! The sky became very dark. Ow! Ow! Then her mother came. People in this village. I'm Ratna Mangal's mother, a very powerful woman in this world. I'm Calonarang. How dare you hurt my daughter? You make her sad and cry. So all of you must be dead. Calonarang was very angry, so she gave everyone punishment. After that, the epidemic disease directly attacked all people in Gira village. There were a lot of victims because of it. They were sick and even dead. Only Uncle Brada from the Matulis village could solve this problem. He had a good idea to defeat Calonarang. Uncle Brada asked his student Bahula to marry Ratna Mangali. "Bahula, the only thing you could do to defeat Calonarang is to marry her daughter, Ratna Mangali." Bahula accepted. He answered, "Well, if you can save all people from the big disaster Calonarang made, I will do it." Bahula was very brave. He went to Calonarang's house and proposed Ratna Mangali. The proposal was accepted. Bahula and Ratna Mangali got married, and then they stayed in Ratna Mangali's house with Calonarang. Days after days, Bahula tried to find information about how to defeat Calonarang. Finally, from Ratna Mangali, Bahula got information about the weakness of Calonarang. Bahula, as soon as he could, went back to his village, Lamatulis. He brought the black magic book of Calonarang and then told everything to Ampo Barada. My lord, from Ranangale, I finally got information about how to defeat Calonarang. The disaster will soon be over, said Bahula. Great Bahula, you have done it well, Ampo Barada replied. After that, the day was coming. Ampo Barada and Bahula were ready to defeat Calonarang. No one in this room could defeat me. Not even you. Calonarang said. Messi Calonarang, just be ready, said Bahula. After that, they had a great battle. Calonarang finally died, while Ranangale shared a better life with Bahula since her weak mother died. And then they lived happily ever after. The end. So guys, the story actually has had a great value in it. That is, anger will only lead us to negative things. So keep positive, guys. Bye bye. Om Santi 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 Om.